Hello students, today we are going to start our final term portions, and in that our first chapter is chapter 13, decimals. What are decimals? When you write the numbers by using point, they are decimal numbers. Okay? What are decimals? The fractions in which the denominators are 10, 100, 1000, etc. are called decimal fractions or decimals. Fractions having denominators are 10, 100, 1000, etc. are called decimal fractions or decimals. You can see a figure I have made here. A figure is divided into 10 parts. Okay, you can see here divided it into 10 equal parts. And here one part is shaded. And what is the fraction of this part? That is 1 by 10. That we have learned in the chapter of fraction. The same thing we can see in the form of decimal. What is the shaded portion? That is 0.1. Out of 10 parts, 1 part is shaded. Its decimal is 0.1. It means fraction and decimal, they both are related to each other. You can convert the decimal into fraction, and at the same time we can convert the fraction into decimal. Another figure is divided it into 100 parts. And in that one part is shaded, then what will be its fraction? Its fraction will be 1 by 100. That is, out of 100 part, 1 part is shaded. Now, if the same thing written as a decimal, how it comes? It will be 0.01. That once you know the value of the decimals, you can easily convert it into the other form. That we will learn in the next class. You can see here now 10.30. Here you can see 10 is a whole number and 0.30, that is the decimal part. It's a mixed decimal. It has two parts. One part is whole number and the other part is decimal part. Now, what about the value of this fraction, decimal? 10, its value is between 10 and 11. 10 is a whole number and 11 is a whole number. And its value is between 10 and 11. It is more than 10 and less than 11. Okay? Now, in today's class, we are going to learn how can you write the decimals in words and figures. How to write the decimals in words and figures. Okay, first we will learn how to write it in words. Write the number name. Write the number name means write in words. You can see here 0.02. It's written in this way. How can we write? 0 means if there is no whole number, nothing is left, then we can put 0 in that place. If it is not put also, no problem. Okay? Then how to read it as 0.02. How to read it as 0.02. Now, next you can see whole number is written. What is written before the point, before the decimal? That is the whole number. Then whole number we will read as it is. 13. What is the whole number here? 13 is the whole number here. Then in the decimal part, we don't read it as 10. We will not read it as 10. How will you read it? We will read it as 10. We will read it as 10. Then how it will be read the whole number? What is the number name of this? 13.10. How to write? 13.10. If you write instead of 10, if you write 10, it's going to be wrong. Okay. Next you can see 7 point. Is it 123? No. After the point, we will read it separately. 7.123. You can write, when the number name when you write, we have to write 7.123. Okay, this is the way we have to write the number names of decimals. Next we can see how to write it in figures. First one, decimal 1, 2. What is decimal? Decimal means point. We have to put the point in that place. Decimal 1, 2. Is there any whole number here? There is no whole number. So in the whole numbers place, we can just put a 0 just to represent the whole number. If the 0 is missing also, no problem. Okay. 0. Point. Decimal means point. 1, 2. We can write 1, 2. Very simple it is. Next you can see 200. 201.387. Is there any whole number here? Yes, 301. Before the point, what is written? Before the point, that is the whole number. 201. Yes, we already have the whole number. Point. We will put the point. 387. Yes, 387. This is the way we have to write the number in decimals in figures. Okay, it's given in words. We have changed it into figures. Now, in the next class, we will learn how can we convert decimal into fraction and fraction into decimals. Hope all of you understood this one. Thank you.